has begun as court ordered Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer to pay fine of 924 million for interrupting the court during the last hearing. Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court has ordered Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer to pay 924 million fine for interrupting the court. According to her, it is a crime to have walked away out of the court while the hearing is on. They have said that yes, even if Nnamdi Kanu is right, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer have no right to leave the court when the hearing is already on. It is an insult to the federal government and also to legal practitioner. She said that before the hearing of Nnamdi Kanu commences next year, that very fine is expected to be paid. Yes, a lot has happened before the hearing of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but that shouldn't have attracted any issue inside the court. It will be tolerable when issues of this sort occur outside the court and not inside the court, because anything of this happening outside the court has nothing to do with it. But if anything of this sort happens inside the court, it is tagged to be illegal and a legal abuse. So, legally, the court is ordering Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer to pay this fine or be ready for the other music. The order. My dear viewers, the war has truly begun. It has truly begun. See, this is what we were talking about then. This is what Deji Adeyanju, the activist, was also talking about. You see, if you look at it very well, you will see that Binta Nyako have started compromising. She has started compromising. Do you understand? She has started compromising. Because if she is not compromising, she wouldn't have taken the move that she has just taken right now. Because to me, what she has just done right now is a very big error. It's an error to the latter. Do you understand? It's an error. See, how can she give such an order? How can she? How can she give such an order? And why will she do that? First and foremost, it is the federal government that is at fault. That is one. And two, you know vividly well why Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer did what he did. You know why Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer did what he did. What Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer did didn't just come or didn't just happen. He didn't just act the way he acted. He acted based on what he felt that happened. Do you understand? My dear listeners in the house, these are the things we are lamenting of. The war is open. Someone said something about this Nnamdi Kanu's trial, that this very trial is what is going to bring the freedom of Biafra to pass at last. And I want to agree with that person. I want to agree with that person. Yes, I will agree, because that is the reality. I will agree because that is the fact. Do you understand? Because that is the fact and nothing more. So let us be factual about this and realistic about this. Because um, there is nothing anyone is going to tell us about what happened during Nnamdi Kanu's last trial that the federal government who happen to be at fault are now claiming rights. Are not claiming rights. Why will the federal government at first deny Nnamdi Kanu's international lawyer, his own lawyer, who has come to defend Nnamdi Kanu, access to the court? For what? If Nnamdi can have the right to come in with 20, 30 lawyers. Are they not his lawyers? The federal government should come with their own now. Where is it in the law or in the constitution that only one lawyer can be allowed inside the court to defend a client? Is it stated like that in the constitution? Is it like that in law? Someone said it that this lady will definitely somehow be biased. Dejadeon just said it, and now it is happening. Now I can see it happening. It's no longer a story that touched or a story that was told. It is now a reality. Do you understand? It is now a reality. You get it? Everything is appearing clear. Everything is appearing to be clear. I don't really know what to say, but the only thing that I am going to say right now is that we will just keep our fingers crossed. Yeah, everyone should keep his fingers crossed and see what the federal government are up to, because we can see that we can now see the trick they are now planning to play in Nnamdi Kanu's case, because I'm seeing it right now. I am seeing it. If you're not, I am seeing it. Do you understand? I am seeing it. That is why they decided to make use of the Vipers to be interceding on Nnamdi Kanu's or on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu, whereas Nnamdi Kanu never sent anyone any message, never told anyone to do anything on his behalf. You understand? He never did that. So what I was saying. All right. Let me hear you anyway from the angle there to know what your take on this very broadcast. Maybe don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.